It's like a birthday cake scone.
It is.
Oh my god. What?
We actually just reused the box. It's something different.
Thank you! Oh! Wow!
Oh my god.
Holy crap! I did not expect this.
Oh, you deserve it.
How
though.
would I ever have known what it was? Honestly, I thought it was going to be a stuffed animal that was a dog. I saw this box in your room and I'm like, that's a stuffed animal. Wow! I guess I should open it.
Yeah.
Can't handle it.
Oh.
I thought it would be good to give it to you now because then if you wanted to use it on your birthday, that would be nice. Oh my goodness.
I mean, you don't have to, but you need a knife. Give her your,
This is an
look it off.
insane gift.